Hi, in front of me is OPPO Find X2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this OPPO. First of all, locate calendar and click on it. Now tap on the month above over here and select the date. When you're done, click at the bottom right corner over here and choose event. Now you can customize it however you want to. You can add a title, set up notifications, minutes, hours or weeks before, tap done over here, take notes, add people, location and even pick starting hour and ending one. You can also turn off this feature completely by tapping on the switcher next to all day. If you want to save your event, just click on save at the top right corner. As you can see, my event was successfully added, but if you want to delete it, all you need to do is click on it and tap at the three dots at the top right corner, then choose delete and confirm your choice by tapping on delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!